Hi, John here. In this video I will go through 5 advertising books that at least I think that are really like best books if you want to learn how to, build funnels, create ads, write copy, understand how to create offer. And basically, really, if you're running a store or if you're running, for example, some service or whatever and you sell it online, then I think you should definitely read these 5 books because at least they really had, like a biggest impact on my sales in last years. Okay, so let's start with book number 1, and it's Sell Like Crazy, right? From Sabri Subi. I really like this book because this book is like almost like a ultimate book when it comes to advertising, creating offers, landing pages, and basically sell anything online. That guy really wrote very interesting book, and I need to say that this person is like a master marketer, right? You can even see it, from a fucking envelope that he sent you, right? He sent you book in this kind of envelope. So people who do something like this, right, they really think about that sell process, right, from the beginning to the end, right? Guy who wrote this is a very good marketer, right? So definitely read the book because it's super interesting. And yeah, so I was actually even surprised so much from the book and from his presentation. I actually bought into his program as well. Okay, so next book is kind of a controversial one, right? Because they say that you should definitely not judge a book by its cover, but I think it really it's perfect for this book, right? Because this is copywriting secrets, right? And it was basically written by Jim Edwards. See, and this book is really awesome, but the problem is that cover of this book is a total shit, right? Because if you can see it, right, it's not even a properly, wrapped, right? This hardcover copy, but and also if you read inside, it's written in a very weird font that is very difficult, for us. So actually, to actually process this book, I need to buy it for my Kindle, and I need to say that this book is really awesome, right? I mean, once you read it on Kindle, then it's really awesome because that guy is a master copywriter, right? And basically, he write a great sales copy, right? How to basically sell anything to anybody, right? So this book is full of tons of great ideas how to write your copy for your e-commerce store, or when you sell service, or when you sell some digital product, right? That guy really know how to write. But like I said, you can't really judge book by its cover, right? Because that cover is pretty shitty. But that inside of that book is really a gem, right? Because in this book you will learn everything, right? I mean, what are pain points of people, how to actually do a research, right? And understand your customer, how to write everything so it really hit that specific group of people and hit it really deep, right? So it's emotional, so they understand that you cannot live without the product. I mean, it's really greatly written book. So but buy it on Kindle because this is unreadable. Okay, let's just move to another one. And well, actually, it's not another one. It's a 3 of these books, right? You probably heard about Russell Brunson, right? I mean, he owns ClickFunnels, and basically he wrote 3 books, right? First one is .com secrets, right? Then second one is expert secrets, and third one is a traffic secrets. And I think you should read all of them, right? Because you will literally understand, how to build funnels, that actually sell, how to actually, create copy, explain what you are actually selling properly, and price it. And then basically, how actually each platform works, so you understand, from paid, to organic traffic, right? Basically, you need to have all of these 3, right, to be successful. And like I said, so this is actually super interesting. And what is really most important, when it comes to all these 3 books, right, that I actually totally recommend, is that all of these are written in very easy, understandable, and well, easily readable English, right? Because especially for me, right, because I am not native, it's really important that the book is not super complicated and I can actually read it, right, and understand exactly what's going on, and understand really and actually take something from it, right? So I can actually download, right, some knowledge from these books and then apply it on my business and or for example client campaigns or mass stores. And yeah, because some of these books, you know, that I'm reading, you know, and they're actually popular, that it's like sometimes very difficult to read them. But these 4 books, I think they are everything what you really need, you know, to like start in online marketing, you know, online advertising, and really understand how to sell anything to people. If you will understand only these books, you know, I think you'll be like pretty successful. At least you will make money, right? Because I mean, you will always learn like most from reading. I never read actually in the past, you know, I started reading like a year ago, and now I'm reading like around like 30 pages per day, right? I usually try to like every day read 30 pages, so I can actually move through each book, you know, in like 10-12 days, right? Because usually books are like 320, you know, 350 pages, you know, per book. And I try to just read like everything about marketing, right? Because from reading, right, I don't know why, but every time that, for example, I'm listening books in Audible, right, I can listen biographies because that's like a story of life. But every time when I'm trying to learn something, you know, from like some book about like online strategy or, you know, online marketing and something that is like very specific, I just need to read it because my brain just cannot really, you know, like process it. So I can just listen it and I understand it, but I literally like can't even remember what I heard like hour ago. But once I read the book, you know, it's just like in my head, right, and I can just apply it on things, you know, later on. So yeah, so definitely, you know, read the books, you know, if you don't, because it's like a cheapest course in the world, right? And sometimes I'm pretty sure that reading books is sometimes even better than like you know, like buying courses and all that crap, right? Because book will just like give you something else. I don't know why, but books are like so much more effective to me, you know. You can get these books on Amazon or wherever, you know. And actually all these books that I always like, I don't just buy them like in like a hardcover or like a paper copy. I also buy them for Kindle, right? Because especially like all these 4, you know, actually all of them, some of them have like a, you know, for example, great headlines that I like, or, you know, some specific things about like some offers, and I just want to always like come back to these books, you know, also in my computer or phone, and search these, you know, passages of like a book or parts of book like quickly, you know, on phone or, you know, using search, you know. And sometimes I travel and I want to do it, and or copy it, for example. And yeah, so once I like some book, I just buy it also on a Kindle, because then I can use it, you know, in future as well, and I can actually, you know, copy some stuff from it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you still download my book, it's free, you know, it's Facebook Ad Launch Guide for e-commerce, and I literally wrote it for e-commerce owners who want to learn how to, for example, launch Facebook ads, or just already work with agency and want to know if these people are actually, you know, like running your ads properly. And actually in that ebook you'll actually find our own optimization rules that we always create for specific product, because each product and each offer have like a different price point, different break evens, right? So we will actually teach you how to create like specific rules, when to stop what, right, just by like downloading this like free ebook. So definitely download that, and if you like my videos and you would like to see more of them, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.